The customer is my compass is something that anybody who attends our design thinking workshop will remember for the rest of their life. The customer is my compass because design thinking is a customer-centric problem-solving methodology. Our program is centered around the 5 pillars of design thinking. And it's completely practical, completely immersive, to the point where we actually bring in real live customers so that people can practice their observation skills and also their experimenting skills and get feedback from real life customers. Which means at the end of a 2-day program, guess what? People walk out of there with real insights, real actionable ideas under their arm. The customer is my compass. Go to hotheads-innovation.com and get in touch with us today if you would like to drill your people in terms of design thinking, getting closer to your customers than you ever thought you could, to get insights, to get ideas, to innovate, to find the future faster.